Alright guys, sorry it took so long from my last video to post something. Today I'm going to be installing a BMR tubular K-member on my car. So let's get to it. This is the K-member right here. It replaces this old heavy stock K-member. So I'm going to have to unbolt. Right now I'm taking off the wheels and the tires. I've already got those unbolted, so I'm fixing to take those off now. And then we'll drop the K-member out and put the other one in. All right, now we got these wheels and tires off. We're fixing to take all of this suspension off of here, all the A-arms and the coils. To get to the K-member, there's should be 2 bolts on each side of it, and it should drop out. Turns out, guys, you don't actually have to take your suspension apart. All you got to do is take that bolt right there that holds the A-arm on, and the one right there in the back that holds it on. Take those out, and then this right here will move back and forth. And then there's actually 3 bolts, one there, and then one at the very back over here. And so I'm not gonna take the other side apart like this side, but it probably needed some brakes anyways. So I'm about to take these 3 bolts out, and then we'll drop the K-member out. All right, so we got it out, and you can just see the size difference in these two. It's way, way smaller. All right, so now, I think we figured out, we struggled a lot with that, but now we got it out. To put the other one in, we're just gonna take these bolts out that hold the actual coilover in, and this all right here should come out. Besides taking, well, those all should come out, yes. Okay, so we're gonna try to take those out, and this whole thing will come out as an assembly, and we'll put the new one in. This side, I guess the previous owner changed and put Torx head bolts in this. The other side has regular bolts in it, but we don't have any Torx bits this size here. So the new plan is to drop this side and get the K-member and just slide it, and align those inside of it while we're sliding it in, and then bolt it in, and then put that side back on there so we can get both sides on there. Had a slight mishap while taking those out. Those are really rusty, and I would probably recommend somebody doing this to put some like penetrating oil on it or something. These are rusty and we just broke that off, but we should be able to get it out. Now we got this about 1,000-pound weighing thing out. We're going to go ahead and get that K-member and slide it in there, like we said before, and get it bolted up. All right, so I got that installed and I'm to a stopping point. Now I have to get that broken bolt out of that, the other shock, whatever you want to call it, and then we'll put that back in and put this all back together. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like my videos, and I'll have more coming out pretty soon.